Hello and welcome to a tea drink. This is called how I make orange and cinnamon spice herbal tea. First thing you gotta do is peel this tea and you pour it, not pour it, but to put it into the cup, and you have to plug this in the water and you let boil until it boils completely. So we have to wait till the water boils. See our tea bags in there, and we're waiting for the water to boil. You can see here it's starting. See there's bubbles under the kettle for the tea. That means it's boiling the water and it's going to be hot. Here you are, we pour the water in here, and then we unplug it, and we gotta let the tea change color to make as a tea, orange and cinnamon spice. And here is your orange and cinnamon spice herbal tea. It's served, ready to drink and ready to enjoy. Careful, it's hot. Thank you for watching.